Hey everyone, what's going on? Math God Pie here, and I've run into a bit of a situation here with some of my videos. In particular, the ones that I've used the video editor on, the YouTube video editor. It is not working the way that it's supposed to. I'm going to show you some examples of what's happening. Here we have a video. It says 43 seconds long. Now this is the cropped version, the cropped video. This is the length it's supposed to be. And the thing is, when you view it here in the studio, it plays perfectly. It does exactly what it's supposed to. So I'm going to play it just to show you. Right, so as you can see, it's playing just fine. The audio and video are perfectly in sync. There's no problems here, right? So this is how it's supposed to play all the time. The problem is, let's go to the actual watch page. So the actual watch page where people actually watch it, it does something completely different. So let's take a look. All right, so it started out, see how it said 42 seconds? It was going to be 42 seconds, but then it swapped it out and started playing the 309 version. Now it says 3 minutes and 9 seconds. See, that was the length of the original video. The original video before I cropped it, before I edited it. But for some reason, even after the edit, after the crop, it is playing the original version of the video and the edited version of the audio. So the audio and video are completely out of sync. Let's go ahead and play that one more time, just to show you. Okay, so as you can see, the audio and video are completely out of sync. The beginning of the video is not what it's supposed to be. It's blacked out, and then it goes to here. It's just not what it's supposed to be. It's playing the wrong version of the video. So what I think is happening here is YouTube, the site, it has both versions of the video available, and then it picks the wrong version. It's supposed to actually play the edited version, but it plays the original version for some strange reason. I'm going to show you another example. Does the exact same thing. In this video here, once again, let's play the in here in the studio. It'll play exactly how it's supposed to play. Right, so once again, no audio video issues, no desyncs, nothing. It's playing perfectly. Okay, great. So now let's go to the watch page. It does something completely different. It plays the wrong version of the video, just like the other one. See, it says 38 seconds, and then it quickly switches over to 2:16. Why is it doing that? That is not an issue with my device. That's not an issue with my computer. It's an issue with YouTube. There's something behind the scenes causing this to happen.
Divine Dragon Hit!
Audio, video out of sync. Yeah, it's not good. It's not playing what it's supposed to play. And look at this. The seek bar only goes up to... See how it's all red now? It only goes up to 38 seconds. It says the video is 2:16 long, but the seek bar, once you get to 38 seconds, the seek bar is full. So obviously this is a problematic glitch that makes the... it happens when I use the crop feature. Yeah. Why won't the watch page just play the video according to how I cropped it? the way that it plays here in the studio. Very bizarre. Anyways, so I'm going to go to the editor now on this third video. This video is uncropped, unedited. So I'm going to go to the editor, and I'm going to show you what I did with the other ones when they were, the original video existed, and then I trimmed it to how I wanted it to be trimmed. So for example, here I'm going to trim it to, say about here. Let's play and see where we're at. Maybe a little bit less. Oh, I need the blue. See, about here or something. Maybe a little less. Yeah, okay, so that's a good place. And then at the end, just as it's fading out, something like that. Okay. Right, so very simple trim, just like that. That's all I did. That's all I did with all the videos. A simple trim. Remove some of the start, remove some of the end, right? Because at the start it's just black. Why would I want to... let's remember that. 13. Okay, so just to show you, right? The beginning is black. This is why I'm trimming. I don't want to show the audience this black part, and then, he just stands here for a while, does nothing. That's just, dead space. So I want to remove that. I want to take that away. Where's the... So if I start the video about here, let's say 13, something like this. Okay, great. So here's the video. The edits I want to make. Just remove some of the beginning, remove some of the end. And now I started here. Looks great, right? And this is what it's supposed to be. But it never turns out like this because after it's edited, you go to the watch page and it doesn't play properly. And it's done this for like a dozen videos. So, yeah, definitely not a... So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to hope... Actually, I'm not going to hit save because I know what's going to happen. It's going to mess up like all the other ones. So for now, I'm going to discard changes. But like what I would do is I would hit save, and that's what I did for all the other videos. Not what I'm going to do for this one, but you get the point. I just did a simple edit. There's nothing fancy here. There's no complex stuff that I was doing. Just a basic trim. And yeah, the other thing I got to mention is some of you out there, you've told me that when you've watched some of these videos, you've noticed this error happening, which means that it's not just happening to me on my device. It's happening to different people on different devices, different locations, all over the place. So this is a YouTube error. This is not an error with my PC. So with that established, I think that's about it for this video. I don't know what else I can do to fix the problem. It's clearly not a problem on my end. It's a problem on YouTube's end. They got to fix it. Yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'll keep you posted. As soon as I find out anything else, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.